Hello, this is Dr. Mangal for you, and today I want to share one of the keys that you can use in your life that will help you to live a life of impact, help you to live a fulfilling life, help you to live a life of power from within. The key is to use your brain both logically and creatively. It is a myth that you can either think logically or creatively. In fact, both the hemispheres of the brain, they complement each other. Our brains are highly intricate organs with billions of neurons and trillions of connections. There are pathways of these nerve fibers that are traveling from one hemisphere to the other hemisphere. Science has now proven that if you use your brain both logically and creatively, you can live a life of real impact and power. So remember to use your both sides of the hemispheres, both the sides of your brain as they complement each other. When I say the logic side, that means thinking through words, thinking through facts, thinking in a linear fashion. When I say creatively, that means using your visualization, using imagination, and bringing arts and music in your life. So what this really does is, when you bring creativity along with the logic side of in your day-to-day living, is you develop a higher level of self-awareness. You also develop a higher level of consciousness. It helps you to live a resilient life. So remember, if someone pushes you away from the creative side, if your job is really into the logic side of the facts, let them know the importance of using both the sides of the hemisphere. Many times people get confused if there's a scientist or someone who is really good in mathematics is also good in arts. People get confused. How can someone can be so good? In fact, people like these, they are using both the hemispheres of their brain. I've heard many times people say that they are not creative. In fact, you can build a creative brain as well. You can think both logically and creatively. Start with little small steps. Even using 2% of creativity in your life will help you to live a life of abundance. You can become a super achiever when you're using both your logic and your creative side of your brain. So remember, start initiating that creativity within you. If you really feel the hindrance that you are not creative, both the hemispheres, they complement each other, and it's important to use both of these hemispheres. One of the simplest, easiest way is start with little doodling. Anyone can doodle, even curvy lines. Everyone is not able to draw straight lines, but even doodling some circles, doodling some petals or flowers. This is just an example that I'm giving. It'll help you to build that creativity. It'll help you to initiate that creativity. So remember the importance of the logic and the creative sides of your brain. It's important that if you're having, for example, 9-to-5 job, which is full of facts, bring that creativity. Even 2% of the creativity through music or through painting is going to really help you. It'll help you to live a more satisfying life where you are including both the sides, thinking both creatively and logically, and you will find the difference. Let others also know what is the key to live an impactful life, that is using both the hemispheres of your brain. I hope you will use this key and you can do it. Next time, if you think you cannot think logically or you cannot think creatively, remember, you can do it. Anyone can do it. It is just a matter of doing. If you use both the hemispheres of your brain, you can think more strategically and you can really live a life of resilience. And everyone wants to do that. So use your brain both logically and creatively. God bless everyone, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.